we're gonna do an unboxing. I got a Monat package today where I ordered myself some goodies. I signed up as a market partner about a month ago, and currently, and when I signed up, you got a $150 voucher or coupon, whatever you want to say, to spend on yourself to buy some products. And so that's what I did. So I already had quite a few because I'd been using the products for like 4 months before I signed up as a market partner, but I bought some more and I'm really excited because I got some like different things and really good things. So first off, I did get Nash Gentle Conditioner. He already uses this line. This is the junior line, but I got him that. Their bottles are so cute. So they each have a different little animal on them. They're adorable. Next, I did get the Barrier Booster Serum. So if you have watched my videos in the past, I have very dry skin. I have eczema and like severe allergies that does not help with my skin. So I tend to get eczema right here, around my nose, around my mouth, on my chin. And so I got this serum to try because I have not had great luck with serums. Frankly, they just aren't enough hydration. Like I did like the Good Molecules niacinamide serum for, or no, not niacinamide, hyaluronic acid serum for a while, but it was fine. I wouldn't say that it was like amazing, but I liked it more than their, I want to say it's like the peptides serum that Good Molecules has. So I liked it more, but still, it was always just like fine. And so the girls that I work with say, this is it. So it's like so cute. It's like a little pink bottle with a little dropper, like very thick, which is perfect. That's like exactly what I need. All right, that's number 2. Number 3, I got the Sunveil sunscreen. Again, eczema, lots of allergies, very sensitive, allergic skin. So these products have been fantastic with my skin and my son's skin because he also has eczema and probably allergies, but he's too young to really know about the allergies yet. But he does have eczema as well as keratosis pilaris, and the products have been so good. Like they do not dry out his skin, they do not make him itch, they don't burn his eyes. Literally amazing. So here it is. Here's the Sunveil SPF. Also pink. My favorite color is pink or black, but so yeah, we're gonna take this off. It is slightly tinted. Like no smell. That's amazing. No smell. All right, I really like that. Okay, I'm into it. This is a mineral sunscreen SPF 50 for all skin types. Oh, my dog's arrived. My dog's leaving. He didn't want to be in the video. Last but not least, I am the most excited about this. So I was awful and I did not buy this soon enough. It took me spilling my sample everywhere and accidentally using too much of it on my own hair to finally just buy it. And I should have way before. So I bought basically Monat, I can't talk, Monat's. I want to say this is like their signature product in my opinion, but it is the Rejuveniqe oil. We have dog. Hello. This is the Rejuveniqe oil. This is everything all at once. It has a dropper. Drop it. It literally smells like, it's like citrusy, like lemony, but like, I don't know, in a non, I don't know, like I can't really explain it. Oh, good, now we have both dogs. This is fantastic. Hi, Shelby. Shelby wants to get in on the beauty. I love you. So yeah, the oil, I will be using this on my hair. I have already tried it on my skin with my sample, and so like good things are gonna come. I'm gonna do a lot of things with this, and I will definitely document that process. But yeah, I'm very excited. I waited way too long to buy this. So here are my things, all the things, and Nash's stuff that he loves. So all the things. Here's Shelby. Shelby approves, dog approved. They do have dog stuff too. I'm gonna be buying them dog shampoo when we run out. But yeah, here's all the boxes. The packaging is just like so, I love it. This is also, oh, there we go. It works. Love y'all, bye.